Hi everyone, this is Aid and welcome to Grammar Aid. Today our topic is mastering irregular verbs. A lot of my classmates uses this thing called standard rule editing where they add ed to a base form to make that form a past tense. But there are some words that don't follow that rule, just like irregular verbs. What are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are verbs that don't follow the standard ed ending rule for past tense. They also have their own special past tense and past participle forms. Why irregular verbs important? Proper use of them ensures your message is understood correctly, and they're essential for achieving mastery in English. Also, many common verbs are irregular, making them crucial in everyday language. Understanding the base form. Definition. The basic unchanged form of a verb. Usage. Used in the present tense and with the word to, like to run. For example, I run every day. Exploring the past tense. Definition. The form of a verb that shows an action happened in the past. Usage. Used to describe completed actions. For example, I ran yesterday. Exploring the past participle. Definition. The form of a verb used to show something that has been completed. Usage. Often used with the word have or has. For example, I have run 3 miles. These are the examples of irregular verbs. For example, the base form is go. The past tense is went. The past participle of the word went is gone, and so on and so forth, like be, was, or there, been, do, did, done, see, saw, seen, eat, ate, eaten. Common irregular verb examples. Action verbs. Run, ran, run. Swim, swam, swum. Write, wrote, written. State verbs. Know, knew, known. Think, thought, thought. Understand, understood, understood. Movement verbs. Come, came, come. Fly, flew, flown. Live, left, left. Practicing with irregular verbs. Number 1. Create cards with base form on one side, past and participle on the other. Number 2. Compose sentences using all three forms of each irregular verb. Number 3. Play online quizzes or board games focusing on irregular verbs. Number 4. Narrate stories using past tense and perfect tenses with irregular verbs. By the way, there's a lot of irregular verbs that you can find on Google. Search them up so that you can learn them. And that's pretty much it. I hope you learned something from this video. Again, I'm Aid and I'm aiding your grammar journey.